Hello everyone. In my previous video, I told you about the reported speech. The types of reported speech means first type of reported speech name is assertive sentences, means simple sentences. Second is interrogative sentences and third one is imperative sentences. So students, I have completed all three parts of reported speech. So in this video I am telling you some examples related to reported speech. So examples are, first example is, teacher, why are you late for school every day? Student said to the teacher, sir, my mother is ill. Teacher, how does it affect your late coming? Student, I have to prepare breakfast. Now the teacher asked the student why. These lines are converted in the form of indirect speech. The teacher asked the student, why are you late for every day? Now we have to change this sentence into indirect speech, so into simple sentence. So connective is here why. After writing the connective, he means subject is given he. Why are you late for school every day? The teacher asks the student why. Now we have to make simple sentence. You are late for school every day. You means subject, means second person. Change according to object. Object is student. Why he. Ismr will be changed into was. He was late for school every day. Now the student replied, sir, my mother is ill. Respectfully that his mother. My means first person change according to subject. Subject is student and subject is student, so student is he. Then objective base of he is his. His mother, Ismr will be changed into was were. His mother was ill. Next, the teacher wanted to know how does it affect your late coming. Means we have to change this sentence into simple sentence. The teacher wanted to know how. Connective how. After writing the connective, we have to make simple sentence, means it affects your late coming. It subject affects will be changed into first form, will be changed into second form, affected. His late coming. Your will be changed into his late coming. Next, the student told him that he had to prepare breakfast. So students, I am repeating here this example. Teacher, why are you late for school every day? Student, sir, my mother is ill. Teacher, how does it affect your late coming? Student replied, I have to prepare breakfast. Now we have to change this direct speech into indirect speech. The teacher asked the student why. He, you will be changed into he. First form Ismr will be changed into was were. Was late for school every day. The student replied respectfully that his mother was ill, means my will be changed into his. His mother, is MR will be changed into were, was ill. Next, the teacher wanted to know how does it affect your late coming. We will be make this sentence into simple sentences. Then to know how, connective is how, it subject, it does, affects, does will be changed into affects, and affects first form of the verb will be changed into second form of the verb affected his late coming. The student told him that he had to prepare breakfast. Next example is doctor said to Rinku, Doctor, hello Rinku, how is your father now? I hope he is well. Rinku, no sir, he is running high temperature. Doctor, bring him here at once. I will examine him myself. Now we have to change, it is direct speech and we have to change direct speech into indirect speech. The doctor greeted Rinku and asked, hello Rinku, how is your father now? I hope he is well. And also helped that he was well. Rinku denied and said, no sir, he is running high temperature. The doctor asked her, bring him here at once, I will examine him myself. Now the doctor greeted Rinku and asked, Rinku, how is your father now? How is your father now? We have to change this sentence into simple sentence, means how your father is now. Your means second person will be changed into object. Object is Rinku. Rinku, male or female. Rinku and asked, how, connective is how. Now your father is now. Your means second form of the verb change into object. Object is Rinku, then his father, is MR will be changed into was were, was, now will be changed into then. Okay, and also helped that he was well. Now Rinku denied and said he is running high temperature. Said that, connective is that, we have to use here, that he, is MR will be changed into was were, was running high temperature. The doctor asked her, bring him here at once. Bring him means this sentence is starting from first form of the verb. So this sentence means, this sentence is imperative sentences. So we have to use here connective is to. Okay, bring him here at once. The doctor asked her to bring him, here will be changed into there, immediately, and told her that he would examine him himself. Now I am repeating again. Doctor said to Rinku, hello Rinku, how is your father now? I hope he is well. Rinku replied, no sir, he is running high temperature. Doctor, bring him here at once. I shall examine him myself. Now these sentences, this direct speech will be changed into indirect speech. So the doctor greeted Rinku and asked, how is your father now? We have to use here connective. How? After writing the connective, how, we have to use here simple, we have to make here simple sentence, means your second person of the verb change according to object. Object is Rinku, then Rinku, his father, is MR will be changed into was verb, was, now will be changed into then, and also helped that he was well. Now Rinku denied and said he is running high temperature. Now we have to use here connective, that he is running high temperature. He is MR will be changed into was verb, was running high temperature. The doctor asked her, bring him here at once, I shall examine him myself. Bring him means here this sentence is starting from first form of the verb. So we have to use here connective bring, because this sentence is imperative sentence. To bring him, here will be changed into there immediately, and told her that he would examine him himself.